Hello dear students, I am Dr. Aisha Siddiqa, Assistant Professor, Government First Aid College, Tumkur. This is the video for BSc students who are studying chemistry in the 5th semester, Tumkur University. This is for the session 17 of natural products. After seeing this video, you will be able to understand the absolute configuration and conformational structures of fructose as well as get to know about mutarotation. Let's have a recap of what we studied in the previous video. We learned the absolute configuration and conformational structures of glucose, as well as we also learned the structural elucidation of fructose. Absolute configuration of fructose, as I had told previously, would D-glucose and D-fructose, they form same kind of osazone with excess of phenylhydrazine, indicating that glucose and fructose must be having similar kind of structures from our structure at carbon 3, 4 and 5. Now conversion of open chain structure to the fructose to ring structure can be shown as here. This is the open chain structure. Fructose exists in two different forms. One is the pyranose and the other one is the furanose. Furanose, it is a 5-membered ring, and pyranose is a 6-membered ring structure here. If the keto group, that is on the second carbon, if it is attacking at the OH group, it is attacking at the 5th carbon, it is going to give you a furanose structure or a ring here. But if the same OH group that is present on the 6th carbon, it is going to attack the keto group, forming an internal hemiketal, it is going to give us a 6-membered ring, that is fructopyranose, which are indicated here. These two are the alpha forms wherein OH group is downwards. Conformational structure of fructose. For the conformational structures, we have to consider the pyranose ring structure here, which can be assigned a chair form wherein one of the oxygen is replacing the carbons. So this could be beta D fructopyranose, wherein the OH group is in the axial position, whereas here it is in the equatorial position. Of these two, beta form is the most stable. That is because they all occupy equatorial position, which are also sterically hindered. Now mutarotation. What is mutarotation? It is a phenomenon observed in aqueous solutions of the many of the monosaccharides. A freshly prepared solution of glucose, it shows a specific rotation of 112, but if it is kept for a long time and observed the specific rotation, it gradually decreases to 52.5 degrees. Similarly, glucose which has been recrystallized from water or pyridine, it shows a specific rotation of 18.7 degrees, and keeping it for some time, it gradually increases to 18.7. This gradual change in the optical rotation of a substance in aqueous solutions, please remember this happens only in the aqueous solution, is known as mutarotation. It is found mostly in all monosaccharides. What happens during mutarotation is anomers, which differ in the orientation of the hydroxyl group on the carbon 1, they get interconverted. Even if you take D-glucose initially having 100% pure form of both of these, they exist in the ratio of 36.264. That is, the alpha form will be 36% and the beta form will be 64% in aqueous solution at 25 degrees. So whenever we have prepared and kept it for some time, there will be some form which is alpha form and the other form will be beta form. We all have been studying that beta form is more stable. That is the reason why there is a higher percentage here. And these two anomers, they keep changing. Okay, it will undergo something called ring chain tautomerism. What may happen has been depicted here. If we take glucose, open chain structure, one anomeric form is getting converted into another anomeric form, and it's a continuous process such that the beta form will be more stable. Same thing happen in case of even fructose. So this interconversion from one anomeric form to the another anomeric form takes place, and at equilibrium particular anomer is going to show you a optical rotation of fixed value. So this is the mechanism of mutarotation. Some of the books which I have referred and the questions definition for mutarotation. what are anomalous conformational structures of fructose, and also mechanism of mutarotation that may happen, and conversion of open chain structure to closed the ring chain structure. So this is about in this video some of the references, and thank you for watching.